Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this auditorium today, and to those of you who are not joining us in the auditorium but are joining the web stream. We can't see you. I hope that you can see us and will be able to participate in what's going on. Let me introduce myself. I'm Tony Hardy. I'm an external expert from the UK. I have worked in UK science for the government on the impact of agriculture on the environment and pesticides and food safety for my working career. I've worked with EFSA since it was formed in 2002. I've chaired the pesticide panel for 9 years, and I'm currently chairman of the scientific committee. I would also like to welcome my co-chair, Professor Jean-Louis Bresson, and ask him if he would introduce himself, please.
Thank you, Tony. Well, I'm a pediatrician working at Necker Enfants Malades, otherwise Sick Children Hospital in Paris, and I'm professor of nutrition at Descartes Medical School. As you can guess, I'm pretty much interested in infant and child nutrition, but as well into the nutrition during pregnancy and lactation. I'm also an external expert working on the NDA panel, which means nutrition.
Thank you. In this exciting session, and I hope it will be an exciting session, we've got a very interesting and challenging program for you. I'm joined on the stage with 4 distinguished speakers. Dr. Anna Salonen from the University of Helsinki, Professor Perluigi Nicotera from the German Center of Neurodegenerative Diseases, Professor Richard Sharp from the University of Edinburgh in the UK, and Dr. James Trusco from Michigan State University in the States. Shaping the Future of Food Safety Together is the overall title of this conference, and this particular session is to continue to think about some of the themes on science, innovation, and the society, and again to look forward as to where the science is developing and what are likely to be its implications on food safety. The 4 topics that cover areas which are the subject of major scientific research and development and are expected to impact the development of regulatory assessment methodology. And the themes we're going to be talking about today are intestinal microbiota, neurodegenerative diseases, reproductive endocrinology, and epigenetics. The format of this afternoon will be that each of the 4 speakers will have 30 minutes to make their presentation, and then we will have a 10-minute technical questions for clarity. At the end of the session, we will try and draw it together for 20 minutes into a panel discussion. And at the end of that, we may or may not, if it's very difficult, try to add a few concluding comments on how the session has gone. There's only one house rule, and I'm sure you've all obeyed it, but if you have a mobile phone, please could you either silence it or turn it off. Thank you.